I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Nissan Pathfinder key fob step by step. Pry the fob open gently with a flat tool at the seam, separate the halves carefully, remove the worn coin cell, note the orientation, insert the new battery with the positive side up, align the casing, and press until it clicks closed. Test buttons to confirm function and reprogram if needed. Have your tools ready on a clean surface before starting so you stay organized and relaxed. Use a small flat screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid damage, and keep the battery and screws in a little dish so they do not roll away. Verify the new battery code matches the old one, handle the coin cell by the edges, and avoid touching circuitry with bare hands. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can make more quick car tips for you. Quick recommendation. The leak-proof containers I use make meal prep simple and mess-free, which is perfect for busy days when you are changing batteries and running errands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by locating the seam and inserting your pry tool, then twist gently until the halves separate without forcing them. Lift out the old coin cell and note its orientation so you place the new battery the same way, ensuring proper contact with the terminals. Close the case firmly until it clicks, press each button to confirm response, and if a function is missing, reseat the battery and recheck contacts for a reliable result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.